Are you having a good time in the hose, Andy? Are you having a good time? Oh, Mama, look what a good time we're having.
Is that fun, baby boy?
Yay! Yay! We like playing in the hose.
Next up, we'll be removing the clothes out here, along with the diaper, and
Yay!
putting them in the towel and right into the bathtub. So I'm gonna get his bath ready.
Okay, Mama. Yay! Do you like playing in the garden hose, Andy? Yeah! Dada, that's me. That's me. I'm Dada. What are you getting into now? What are you getting into now? Are you going to go wash that off? Go wash it off in the hose, Andy. Go wash it off in the hose. Uh-oh, what's happened? What's happened to your garden hose? It's not flowing as good as it was before. What happened to it? Is that fun? Is that super fun? Oh. Yay! Yay! There you go. That's one wet kid.